everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is going to be a taco casserole. This is show number 282, and this is going to be a really tasty recipe because today we're using a package of taco sauce, and you know how delicious that's going to be. Let's go through the ingredients really fast, and also let me remind you that we're working to get our 10,000 views. So if you would right away hit the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner if you're on a computer. If you're on a cell phone, stand it up and hit the subscribe button, and then hit the thumbs up button if you like what you're seeing and you want to see the next shows in the future. That'll be a good thing to do. Also, if you want, we do have a website. The information is going to be there on the YouTube anyway, but if you want to see our website, it's jamestdds.blogspot.com. So even though William and I are cooking together, I made the website, so it's got my name on it. So here we go. The rest of the ingredients is going to be a can of diced tomatoes, a can of green chilies, a container of sour cream, and a can of cheddar soup, some Campbell's soup. We have a bag of cheddar cheese. We have some spray for the dish. This is my contribution. There you go. And then we have some ground beef. We're using 92% lean. He's going to cook it up. Don't forget also, we got the package of tater tots. This is what makes it really, really taste good. So, I guess the first thing we got to do is cook the ground beef, huh? Yeah. All right. We'll get that pan going. We have the oven is heating to 350 degrees. So I have that going as well.
You don't use the whole thing?
I would, yeah, because you're going to make me a piece also, so here you go. You can go ahead and get started on that. I'll pitch this and wash my hands. What's our next step?
We're going to add the ingredients to the bowl.
Alright. Is this in your way? You want me to switch sides with you?
Yes. And then we add the ground beef to the bowl.
Go ahead. Take that over there.
You want some of this for the...
Oh, yeah. Yeah, here. Give me some of that there, please. He's loading me up for the next show. I'm stealing some of his ground beef out of the package.
Oops. Is that up?
Want a strainer?
I got
Or
it.
something? You're used to doing that.
Yeah. Then we add the taco seasoning.
It's fun to have William come over and cook, show me how to make his recipes. After I use his recipe twice, it's mine.
And we probably want to mix this together.
All right.
Then you add your cheddar cheese soup.
Want a spoon?
Oh, yes, please.
See, if I didn't move that spoon and I was doing that, there would be cheddar cheese all over the handle, and then from there, it would go all over the counter, and then it'd be in my eye and in my nose and in my hair. And if you're done with that, I'll take that off your hands. Yeah, throw the spatula in if you don't mind before you hand it to me.
In here?
Yeah, please. Thanks.
Then we're going to take our sour cream.
Want a big spoon for that?
Sure.
Want a bigger one than this?
Oh, this is good. I'll probably just use at least half of it. Add our green chilies.
I made sure those were milds for us.
And our diced tomatoes.
And it said in your recipe not to drain the cans. Can you stick a spoon in there? We had a component failure with the can opener. I was tempted to break out the bubble head new electric one.
And then our cheese.
So we use half the bag for this and then I eat the other half a bag. Is that how it works?
Sure.
Love cheddar cheese. This is good. You're putting a lot of cheddar cheese in there. That's going to be good. You done with this? I should put it in the refrigerator.
Then we're going to use our tater tots and put them in there on top.
It's getting kind of full, huh?
Yeah.
You know, I had a bigger bowl. I guess I didn't realize you needed it. Is that all you're going to use? Or you want me to put these in here?
Yeah, just put them on the bottom and I'll put the rest on top.
Next time we make this, I do have I have two bigger bowls. I have one bigger than that, and I have one that's really bigger than that. So
And then when it's kind of mixed all together, you put it in the casserole dish.
Okay. This looks pretty straightforward. This is our brand new casserole dish that we got for the Diabetic Diet Show. Do we need to put aluminum foil on that when we put it in the oven?
No, because the cheese is gonna
Okay.
melt. Okay.
The oven is already preheated. I preheated it to 350, and it looks like for your instructions, we're going to bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Now
we're gonna put this in the oven and cook it for the 35 minutes. Right?
Or until it's done,
Yeah.
depending on your oven. Says in your recipe I'm reading, could be 40, 45 minutes. You just kind of got to keep an eye on it. But like you said, check it after 30-some minutes.
Yeah. So now we want to set our timer.
Yep.
And we'll be right back.
We're down to the last few seconds of this taco dinner, so when it beeps, we're going to get this out of here. There we go. Okay, and we're going to bring it out here. I have a cooling grill. This is basically just a grill out of my oven. Wow, that looks really good. And you can smell it, how good it is too. Well, what do we need to do? Dish it up, huh?
Yeah.
Let's get some dishes. You want to grab spatula? Here, I'll do it. I'm over here. That smells so good. Okay. There you go. That's our show for the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up if you want to see more in the future. Goodbye for now.